Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be talking about the Jordan 1 Black Toe Reimagined. So this released today, which is the 15th of February, and as you guys can see, the box is not your typical Jordan 1 box. There is an old photo of young MJ, and this is actually a photo from his first photo shoot with the brand. And you can see on his shoulders, he has the black toes. And if you look closely, there is Air Jordan stamped on the shoe in this photo, which is obviously the inspiration for these Jordan 1 Reimagined. And on the inside of the lid, you can see it has the Wings logo and it says Special Attention M Jordan. Another nice touch is the paper. Let me grab it out so you guys can see the entire thing. There are old photos of MJ along with some sketches by Peter Moore, who is obviously the designer for the Jordan 1s. I always appreciate these extra details they include with the packaging when it comes to a sneaker release. But let's talk about the sneaker itself. So you guys can see I have one side laced with the black lace and red on the other, just so I can show you guys what it looks like on. These are the two lace options that you get with this release. Personally for me, I'm just gonna keep the black lace just because I think it makes it a little bit more neutral, if you will. The red laces is definitely a little bit more standout, but you can't go wrong with either. One of the most notable details on this sneaker would definitely be the Air Jordan stamped here, because we are also used to seeing the Wings logo, but this was actually inspired by the prototype of the black toes, which can be found again on this photo. You guys can see that MJ has the prototypes on his shoulder. And if you look closely, it actually says Air Jordan. So it's nice that they've brought that detail onto the sneaker. And then on the medial side of the left shoe, there's also a little message from MJ, and it says, "My very best, Michael Jordan." It is not super obvious, but you can definitely read it if you look at it closely, but it's not in anything bold, and it will show more if you had like a UV light or something. But I also like that little detail there. I think the black toe is just such a classic, iconic colorway, and because it's part of the Reimagined line, they always tend to do sort of like an H effect. The effect's not the right word, like an H look to it. I'm sure you guys saw photos of this prior to the release, but I remember seeing a photo with like cracked leather on the black toes, which was maybe one of the ideas, and I'm kind of glad they didn't go with that, because I definitely prefer just the classic smooth leather, but it does have like an off-white midsole just to give that age look to it, which I think always looks nice. I have no complaints there. And the quality of leather is also really nice on this one, and I'm still a really big fan of the Jordan 1s. To me, it's just such a classic, and I think it goes well with everything. So I'm really glad to add this to the collection. Sizing wise, I find that Jordan 1s fit true to size, so just go for your regular sizing. The Black Toe Reimagined is also available in full family size run, which is great. So we have grade school, preschool, as well as toddler. The toddler pairs are always so cute. I did try the grade school pair as well, and the quality did actually look alright. The grade school quality is usually not the same quality as the adult pair, so if I have the option, I always go for the adult pair, even though the grade school sizes are usually a little bit cheaper. But the cut, is that the right word? Yeah, the fit of it I find to be a little bit more narrow because it is for grade schoolers, so I always prefer to go for the adult sizing. And the retail price for this is 250 Australian dollars, and yeah, like I said, I think this is a no-brainer, just a classic, and you really can't go wrong there. And before I end the video, I just quickly wanted to unbox two little things that I got in the mail yesterday. I bought them not too long ago. Sorry, I'm just looking for my Stanley knife, which I had here somewhere. Yeah, here it is. So the first little parcel is another thing that I got from Dover Street Market, London. If you guys follow DSM on Instagram, then you know that they had like a Kaws like t-shirt released recently, And it came in a bunch of different colors. I actually really wanted the pink one. I am in my pink era still. And I was just a little bit too late to the DSM London website because it dropped at 10 p.m. here, Australian time. And I even made a note to myself because I was just in bed watching YouTube and I was like, yeah, at 10 o'clock, I'm gonna go on the DSM website. And I don't know what I was watching. I was so into it that I lost track of time. So I think I only realized at like 10:15. I was like, oh no, I was meant to buy this t-shirt. So by the time I got to the DSM London site, they only had the white one left in a size small, which hopefully it'll fit me okay because all my DSM t-shirts are in a size medium, which is a little bit oversized. You guys saw the Year of the Snake and Year of the Dragon one that I have. And I do like an oversized fit, but I think a size small would still fit me. So this is what it looks like. It still looks pretty oversized actually. This is what the graphic looks like. It says Dover Street Market obviously. And then on the back of the t-shirt in the corner, it says Dover Street Market and Kaws. And I mean, it goes without saying, guys, I am still a huge Kaws fan, so when I saw it, I had to get it. But yeah, I'm sad that I couldn't get the other colors, but that's okay. I'm wondering whether they'll have it at the Dover Street Market in Tokyo when I'm there, because I will be there next month, so I'm very, very excited for that. The next thing that I want to show you guys is something else I bought online as well. If you guys watched my last vlog, I was talking about these Murakami cherry earrings, and it's from a brand called Liquium. It's a Japanese brand, and they so happen to do a restock on their app and website. So I figured I might as well get another pair because I think they're super cute, and it comes in a bunch of different colors. I know I told you guys that I wasn't gonna buy anything before my trip to Japan, but I just couldn't resist, and I was afraid if I waited till next month that they might not have them in store anymore when I'm in Japan. I think they have the store in Harajuku, but yeah, anyway, they weren't super expensive or anything. I think it retails for like, one of them was around like $90 something and the other one is like $70 something. So I picked up another one of the red pair because I think this is just classic, you know, it's the color of the cherries, and you guys know how I feel about these Murakami cherries. It just reminds me so much of the Louis Vuitton Murakami cherry collection from the early 2000s, and it's just very nostalgic for me, and they just look adorable. They're just super cute, and it gives me a very different vibe almost, I feel, because I'm not used to like having something dangling from my ear. I'm more like a minimal jewelry kind of girl. I love chrome hearts, and I love like silver jewelry, silver tone jewelry. But anyway, the other pair of the cherry earrings I got is this pink pair. You guys can see my nails sort of match. I have like a little cherry here, but this has a green stem instead, and it has the pink cherry. I reckon they look so cute. But the reason why I got an extra red pair is actually because I wanted to do, oh my god, I almost dropped it. It's because I'm planning on doing a giveaway. I haven't planned like how or when I'm gonna do it just yet, but I bought it with the intention of giving it away to one of you guys. So make sure you stay tuned to my vlogs or my videos, which I will share the giveaway details for this one here. But anyway guys, my camera is dying because once again, I didn't really charge it. So I gotta go. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!